Good morning, students. Welcome to your science class. In our previous class, we have learned about plants grown in terrestrial region, polar region, mountains and hills. Today, we will learn few more regions where different plants are grown. Plains are the most flat lands and the climatic conditions vary from very hot and dry to very cold. These regions also have a distinct monsoon season. Plants growing in this region adapt themselves to survive in all seasons. Plants grown are neem, mango, banyan, palash, peepal, and pine. They have several branches which make them look really vast. They produce beautiful bright flowers during the hot dry summer month. You can observe the picture over there. Neem plant, banyan, peepal, palash. Deserts. Deserts are the hottest and the driest places in the world. There is very little or no rainfall. It's it's get very hot during the day and very cold at night. The soil is very dry and lacks minerals and water. Note, not all the deserts have sand. Some are rocky, some have stones. Plants grown are the cactus is the most famous desert plant. Cactus, palm tree, desert lily, barrel cactus. Cactus. It is a very well adapted to survive in the desert because it cuts down water loss. The roots don't grow deep. They are shallow and they spread out just below the surface. The stem of the cactus plant thick green and fleshy. It acts like a tank. It stores up water when it rains and then uses this water to grow during the long dry periods of no rain. It has a waxy surface to prevent water from escaping. It also converts sunlight into food. The stem does the work of leaves. In a cactus, the leaves are reduced to spines. This helps the plant to minimize the water loss. Many cactus produce flowers, bloom mostly at night. Rainforest covers only 7% of the earth. The rain occurs continuously throughout the year and the air is warm and damp. Plants don't need two seasonal changes. They can produce flowers, fruits, and seeds as well as shed their leaves at any time of the year. Forest, when trees grown together in large groups, they form forests. The trees grown close to each other so there is no space to spread out branches. Most trees branch at the top. Their trunks are tall and slender but very strong. They have smooth barks so the water flows down quickly. Most trees have hard wood which is excellent for making furniture. Example, rosewood, orchids, mahogany, em- ebony, rubber tree, timber bamboo. Plants that grow on tree trunks are called epiphytes or air plants. The topsoil in the rainforest is thin as it rains almost continuously there. The trees are very tall, they need additional support. Many trees grow thick aerial roots coming down from their branches. Others grow solid, butterless at the base of their work. The trees in a rainforest are mostly broad leaved, evergreen trees. The plants that grow on the forest floor have adapted themselves to survive in damp and dark conditions as they get no direct sunlight. The leaves of the rainforest plants are thick and leathery with pointed tips. Rubber trees also grown in rainforest. Thank you for watching. We will see few more regions of the plants in the next class.